Welcome to quiz time! Opposites quiz 1. With bright quizzes. Let's begin. What is the opposite of major? The opposite of major is minor. What is the opposite of arrive? The opposite of arrive is depart. What is the opposite of distant? The opposite of distant is near. What is the opposite of ask? The opposite of ask is answer. What is the opposite of sweet? The opposite of sweet is bitter. What is the opposite of maximum? The opposite of maximum is minimum. What is the opposite of always? The opposite of always is never. What is the opposite of present? The opposite of present is past. What is the opposite of strong? The opposite of strong is weak. What is the opposite of giant? The opposite of giant is tiny. Great job! Make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.